Welcome to AI Legend. If you've ever dreamed of creating stunning movie posters, whether it's an homage to Hollywood classics or a dive into sleek modern styles, you're in the right place. So today we'll explore how to use Midjourney to design jaw-dropping posters that capture the magic of cinema. As always, check the pinned comment for bonus resources to take your designs to the next level. Let's dive straight into the world of movie poster creation. Let's begin by recreating the charm of vintage movie posters. These designs often use hand painted artwork, bold fonts, like this one, and dramatic shadowing, just like this one, right over here. So today I'll show you how to capture that essence using the tools around here in Midjourney's interface. So we'll create a poster, for instance, inspired by 1950s film noir, complete with a mysterious city backdrop and characters in trench coats. So here's how we'll set it up right here. So firstly, let me paste the prompt that I just crafted together right over here. And so it's optional if you could feel free to adjust the prompt settings, that is. So, in the meantime, I think it's good as enough as it is. Wanted to make it portrait, same aspect ratio in typical movie posters. Gonna go with the recent version, and the mode has to be raw just so we could lean towards with that kind of realistic vision with the illustrations of the movie poster that we're aiming for. And let's not touch the aesthetics, just leave it as it is. And now, let's send it off right about now. Okay, as you'll see, once again, with the image rendering process, it might take a while, but not far too long. Just be patient. As you'll see right here, there we go. It's now finished, and here it is. So the hand-painted style in bold font, just like this one, this rendered image right here, just give it a true 1950s feel. And the shadowy cityscape right here, let me show you with each of these ones. See, like just adds the right amount of intrigue. So if you're not quite satisfied with the results, you could make some adjustments, like try tweaking the aesthetic settings right here, adding elements like vintage cars or street signs. So in the meantime, this looks good as it is. I'm quite proud of it, I must say. Next, let's move to minimalist modern posters. These designs are simple, sleek, and focus on bold yet understated elements. Think abstract geometric shapes, just like that one, muted colors, sorry about that, and clean layout, just like this one. So we'll use Midjourney with the settings for this segment on the aesthetics' variety and weirdness right over here to strike a balance between creativity and simplicity. So let's start designing. Firstly, let's set our prompt right over here. Modern minimalist movie poster, abstract shapes, muted pastel color palette. There we go. Bold sans serif typography, negative space, clean design. Okay, let me add that in on movie title. All right. So let's adjust the weirdness and right here. Let's do it here. And the other one for, let's say, the variety over here. See? Here we go. And let's go with a 4:5 aspect ratio. Hold on. Or instead of that, let's go with this one instead. Still with the same portrait aspect ratio. So we'll go with a standard version version 6. Oh, my apologies for that. And maybe the stylization would go kind of low. Alrighty, so, and now with the settings adjusted for the prompt, let's submit this over. Now, we've used a lower setting on one of the aesthetics here just to keep things cohesive. Now, with the other two, just for a bit more of a creative edge. So, let's see. The process might take a bit while, no worries. It won't take too long. Alrighty, here's the result. So as you can see, while it's finishing with the rendering, this is quite exactly what I need. This is more so of a movie concept art, but I'll take it. It's very clean and elegant. The muted pastel colors and the use of negative space really make the poster stand out. You could refine it, or you could take this art and then put in credits and then add a title if you'd like. Anything just to craft together your modern movie poster. See? It's pretty stunning actually. Now, if you're enjoying this walkthrough so far, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all our new videos. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button. It really helps us grow and reach more creators like you. Let's try out a genre-focused movie poster. Let's say fantasy adventure ones. So there are all about epic visuals and vibrant details, from glowing swords to mystical landscapes. So these designs spark the imagination and transport viewers to other worlds. Now, with our prompt example for this segment, we'll could use the prompt settings once again for the stylization and also the weirdness to bring out the magical feel of this design. So let's get started. So here we have all the details from my prompt that I put together. And now we could adjust the aesthetics right here. Let's say we put stylization and let's see the weirdness up high, variety at medium right here. And also we could go with the raw mode. Then the landscape, let's go this one, 4:3. And then fast for better quality. There we go. Version, why not we try 5.2 for that? Oop, sorry about that. Let's go with this one and this one. All right, so once it is set up with the settings here and there, let's go and submit this to Midjourney right about now. Okay, so here we just cranked up the stylization and weirdness to bring in more dramatic and surreal elements. So these settings are perfect for creating the larger-than-life visuals typical of fantasy posters, that is. And now it's almost done. Let's see what Midjourney produces. All right, just wait for a bit. Okay, we're almost done, and we're complete. Okay, so just look at that. With the one over here, see, with the vibrant sky that gives the design a powerful otherworldly feel. There's the mystical forest that surrounded it here. There we go. It adds depth and intrigue. Another one right here. There's the dragon. And another one right here with the sword and all as the warrior to save it all. And yeah, that came off pretty good actually. So if you want to adjust even better quality setting, you could just change it to 6.1 and send it once again. So we'll see the difference between 5.2 and 6.1, which is the current version from Midjourney. right? Just waited for a bit. Oh, and here it is. The new versions of the rendered image for the fantasy movie posters, and here it is. See how it's much more upgraded with the visuals? Let's focus on the sword, just for different ones. Wow, there's the title here. And yeah, yep, there's the glowing sword. It's supposed to be the main character. And here we go. Just feel free to adjust this and add a bit more detail. So it's all up to you. Either way, came up pretty great on each of their own. Lastly, why don't we try exploring abstract and experimental designs? Perfect for indie or art house films. These posters challenge conventions with surreal visuals, unconventional layouts, and also bold textures, kind of like this one, or even this one, that is. And so, why don't we give it a try with the one that we're currently planning? Let's say, with the help of the adjustments from the prompt settings, like balancing stylization and weirdness, right here, then we'll create something truly unique. Now here is my prompt right here. See, and then we'll adjust this one. Let's go with the raw. Maybe we could stick with this version right here. Hi, hi, hi. You know what? Why don't we go all out? And then let's stick to fast for better quality. And let's go back to the portrait. Or in second thought, to stick with the experimental segment, why don't we go to square aspect ratio right here? Okay, so let's send this over right about now. Okay, so by using high settings for stylization, weirdness, and variety, we're now letting Midjourney explore its full creative potential. This combination works wonders for posters that aim to push boundaries. And then here's how it came out. See how really intricate with the design is? It's pretty amazing. It's completely unexpected, and it's also visually captivating, to be honest. See the movie title here? It's kind of drips and kind of glitches here. See, with the surreal textures, it make it feel like a piece of modern art. Here's another one right here. Here's a stylized version of the movie title here. See? There we go. And if you're working on a bold project, this is the way to stand out. It's pretty impressive, I must say. Now, whether you're crafting vintage homages or pushing the limits of experimenting or experimental design, Midjourney offers endless possibilities for movie posters. So, which style was your favorite? Let me know in the comments and check the pinned comment once again for additional tips and resources down below. And thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.